In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for dental practice topics fast and easy. First, open up your web browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. Usually the first link that appears is the one you'll want to click on. Do that and you'll find yourself on the Google Trends homepage, which is your gateway to discovering what's trending in the world of dentistry. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Explore button and click on it. This is where you can start diving deeper into specific trends and topics based on your interests. When you click Explore, you'll see a search field where you can enter core dental keywords. Start with broad terms related to your services like dentist, dental implants, teeth whitening, braces, or emergency dentist. Inputting these keywords will give you an overview of their popularity over time. After you've entered your selected keywords, simply click on Enter. This will bring up a wealth of data related to your search terms. Now, to refine this data to suit your needs as a dental practitioner, you'll want to set some filters. Begin by choosing a location. Selecting your city, state, or region allows you to match the trends with your local audience. Next, consider your time range. Reviewing data from the past 12 months can help you identify consistent demands, while focusing on the last 30 or 90 days might reveal emerging health trends. Additionally, you can filter by category to ensure results are relevant. Opt for health or medical health categories to eliminate unrelated information. Finally, decide whether you want to analyze trends on web searches or news searches, the latter of which can be insightful for trending medical topics or regulations. With your filters set, it's time to examine the Interest Over Time section of your results. Here, you can identify any steady trends or seasonal spikes in interest. For instance, searches for teeth whitening might surge around holidays or wedding seasons, whereas emergency dentist may experience peaks on weekends or major holidays. Next, take a look at the Related Queries section. This fascinating area highlights both rising and top searches related to your keywords. It's a goldmine for understanding patient intent, featuring queries like dental implant cost near me or best dentist for kids. These insights can help tailor your marketing or content strategy to your audience's specific needs. Moreover, you can explore the differences between topics and search terms. While search terms are exact phrases that users type in, topics encompass broader categories with related searches. For example, by searching braces as a topic, you might uncover related ideas like orthodontics, clear aligners, or Invisalign treatment. Finally, once you've gathered all this valuable information, you can download it by clicking on Download CSV. This file can then be organized in a spreadsheet, allowing you to strategize service pages, craft blog content, and orchestrate social media campaigns effectively. And there you have it, using Google Trends to uncover dental practice topics quickly and easily, empowering you to stay ahead of trends and meet your patients' needs more effectively.